Hello friends, in this video I am talking about 100 most important SPSC interview question answers. So let's get started. First is what is the unit of heat? Units and BTU, British thermal units. 1 BTU, it is the amount of the energy required to the raise 1 degree Fahrenheit temperature of 1 pound of water. Okay, it is the amount of the heat when the added to the 1 pound of water increase the temperature of water to 1 degree Fahrenheit LB 0.45 kg or 1 kg equal to 2.2 lbs. Okay, type of heat is sensible heats. It can be sensor or the measuring by the ordinary dry bulb. Okay, and second is dry bulb thermometer. Example, human body temperature can be measured during the thermometer. Okay, second is latent heat. Yes, it cannot be sensed or the measured by the ordinary dry bulb temperature. Okay, dry bulb thermometer, it is a hidden heat. Latent heat is the observed or the release when even there is a change in the phase. Example, when the water become vapor and the vice versa. Okay, second is what is ton and 1 ton. Let's get started and see. Ton or 1 ton of refrigeration, it is the amount of energy required to freeze 1 pound of water in 24 hours. It is the amount of energy required to melt 1 ton of ice in 24 hours. Okay, next question number third is volume of air is measured in. So let's see the answer. Volume of air is measured in the terms of CFM, cubic feet per minute, CMH, cubic meter per hour, MQ second, and MQ second, cubic meter per second, L 1 second. Okay, liter per second. Okay, second CMH is equal to 1.7 CFM is equal to 2118 into MQ per hour. CMH is equal to 2.119 into second. Okay, next is what is SRAE. SRAE is the American Society of the Heating, Refrigeration and the Air Condition Engineers. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 5. What is the room temperature that you maintain in any room? Okay, answer is 24 degrees Celsius or 76 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is velocity. Velocity usually 1500 into area in square feet. Okay, you can check out the internet. CFM is equal to velocity. Okay, area in square feet, velocity into area in square feet. Let's see the 1 ton. 1 ton is equal to 12,000 BTU. Is BTU per hour is equal to 3.516 kilowatt. Next is heat transfer coefficient. 1 BTU is equal to 5.6782. Thermal conductivity 1 BTU per 1 BTU per hour FT 1.73 watt m Kelvin. Okay, next is what is CFM. What is CFM? Answer is CFM is equal to cubic feet per minute. It is the unit of the airflow. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is what is aspect ratio? Yes, it is the ratio between ST and length of the duct. Generally we take 1:2 vary with the space and the size up till 1:4. Okay, next is what is the collar length? Yes, it is the strip left at the joining of the duct and the machine. It is the collar length. Okay, next question is what are the important things to be considered before the selecting device like the HU and the chillers. So let's get started and see the main important thing considered before selecting these devices. For HU FCU, for the chilled water system, yes, CFM, static pressure, top capacity, air temperature, water flow in the GPM. Okay, for HU या FCU, for the direct system, CFM static pressure, ton, ton, sensible. For chiller, ton outside, for chillers, ton outside air temperature, GPM. Not the sensible into 3.4 heating capacity. Okay, 2 static pressure to be considered to make fan selection. 1 GPM is equal to 2.4 ton. We need GPM in the finding the pipe dia. Okay, next question, question number 13 is What is the pump supply fitting? Yes, that's the answer. Thermostator, shut off valve, pressure gauge, strainer, test point, drain choke, union flexible connector, and the electrical reducer. Okay, let's the next question. Question number 14. Question number 14 is, what is pump return fitting? Let's see the answer. Accelerated reducer, flexible connector, and the union test point, check valve, strainer gate, check valve, temperature sensor. Okay, that's the next question. Question number 15. Question 15 is, CFM distribution WRT to give floor plan. Use the ductulator. Okay, you can use the ductulator to measure this. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 16. What is question? Question is, calculating loads, write any plan by the using software. Answer is, use HAP 4.32 or any to find the loads. Okay, next question number 17 is, types of damper. Yes, what is the types of damper? First is fire damper, butterfly damper, non-return damper. Fire damper example is butterfly damper, non-return damper, motorized damper, motorized damper, fire damper. Okay, and fire is damper, smoke damper, gravity damper. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 18. Question number 18 is, type of motorized damper. Yes, motorized volume damper. First is motorized volume damper, motorized fire and smoke damper. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 19. Type of grips and diffusers. So let's get started. First is 2-way, second is 3-way, fourth is 4-way, fifth is 1-way, and get different diffusers with the fans. And let's see the next question. Question number 20. What is VFD? Yes, what is VFD? VFD is a variable frequency drive. It is used to control the speed of the motor by controlling the frequency applied to it. Okay, it is used with the chillers, air juice, etc. to control the RPM of pumps and motors. Okay, do you like this video? Please like this video. This is the part 1 for HVAC interview question answer 20 question. In part 2, 20 to 40 question, and already 5 parts to this interview session. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.